Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today, Qwen-Image 2512 released the last text-to-image model of the year, it looks like. They wanted to squeeze one more out before the year ended, so a really fun way to end 2025 and working with open source image generation technology. Now, of course, the question everyone's going to have, does this beat Zimage? Everyone's obsessed with Zimage, including myself. It's an amazing model. It's fast, it's accurate, it's realistic, and the full version isn't even out yet. So tough competition for Qwen right out of the gate, but I think it's a good competitor. I don't think it's going to be able to beat Zimage when it's fully released, but right now it's a contender for sure against the distilled turbo version. So what you see on your screen right now is just something I generated before starting this video. It's a prompt I used from my Drift Girl pack when I was training my LoRAs. I converted the prompt to be Qwen friendly. Now, what I mean by that is Qwen does very well when you separate subject, pose, clothing, camera, environment, lighting, and mood. Just reduce the narrative fluff and it seems to do better. So what I like to do is take a prompt, bring it over to ChatGPT or another LLM, give it some context on what Qwen likes, so the example I just gave you there, then paste your prompt in and it'll restructure it for you to be better suited for Qwen. You could do this with any model, but that's what I'm doing with Qwen right now, just to try to get the best results. So this workflow is just a basic one. It's on my Patreon attached to where I post this video, but this is really simple. You can get this online anywhere, create your own. Nothing special going on, just loaders, LoRA loader. I'm using the GGUF version of Qwen 2512, but you can do what you want. So what I'm going to do here is generate another image with 40 steps. The config is set to 4 because we do have our negative prompt here. And then I'm going to do the 4-step lightning LoRA just so you can compare the results. Now, I'll tell you right out of the gate, 40-step obviously looks better, but the lightning LoRA looks pretty good and it's going to be a great option for people on lower VRAM computers. So let's do that. Let's get a prompt going. So I'm going to head over to my prompt library and grab another one. And then we are going to bring that over to ChatGPT, paste it in, get it reformatted. Okay, let's copy that and move back. And let's generate another one. Now I'll fast forward a bit because this will take about a minute or two on my system with a 5090 and 128 gigabytes of system RAM. Okay, so there's our image. It might look familiar. This is a prompt from my Drift Girl pack. So it looks pretty good. The car is pretty detailed. I like the dust on the hood. It's not bad. Let's generate one more with the same prompt just to see if we can get different results, and then I'll do the lightning LoRA. Okay, so we got another one. So similar results. Looks pretty good. I like it in kind of a low-res, retro kind of way. Now let's try the same prompt with our lightning LoRA enabled. So we're going to drop it down to 4 steps and no negative prompt. Now this will be great for lower VRAM systems, but I don't think it's going to look as good, but you can be the judge. Now we'll do this one in real time, so you can actually see how quick this is. Really fast. Okay, that turned out pretty good. It's almost a different vibe entirely, so you may prefer this, to be honest. I don't mind it myself. Let's do one more with the same prompt. Again, this is with the Qwen-Image Lightning 4-step LoRA enabled. Man, that's pretty good. I can't be mad about that. Alright guys, that's all I have for today. I just wanted to do a quick overview of Qwen-Image 2512. Have a great New Year's Eve, and see you in 2026.